welcome back to my YouTube channel tutorial for Rubik's Cube 3x3.
So before I start, I will give you tips how to solve 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Up, push, down, drag. Up, push, down, drag. Then do in the left side. In this we call right tiag and that is left tiag. Then first you need to find a base. So my base is white. Then I will make a yellow flowers in the top. So this is the white flower, and now make sure that the color are all combined the same. Like this, then not, and just swap the colors to make it right. So this is done. All colors are same. So the white color will go into down like this. Just do like this. Yes, like this. And now find the missing white colors. And all the white colors will go down. Like this. And make it sure that the color are the same in the bottom. Now the white is done, and make it sure all the color in the first row was right. And now we're going to the second layer edges. Find a color that there have no yellow. Like that. Yes, like that. Then find another color like that, blue and red. Then find the place where it should go and do the right tiag. Do that until the all color of the second layer was done. And now it's done at colors. Yes, and now we're going to have a cross yellow cross in the upper layer. Yes, then do that in small L. Clockwise, then do right tiag 2 times. And back. And we have a crossed yellow. Now make it sure that you have the same color like that. down layer and do the right out until the yellow will go down. Do that until all the yellow will go down. Yes, and now we're going just do that in the right colors. So in this step, do the right diag once. And one in the left diag. And now do the right diag 5 times. And now 5 in the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now all color done. And that's it how we solve 3x3 Rubik